the middle of the storm, one man dared to step beyond the familiar. Like Peter, we're called to step out in faith into uncharted territories. Today, that frontier is the vast digital landscape, a realm filled with endless possibilities for transformation.
This model of being a local church plus matters because physical and digital spaces in our world are merging. So it's not a choice of whether or not you're going to engage in digital missions. Like, do I want to participate in that world? You're already there. It's a question of how you're going to wield that tool for the glory of God.
Are you ready to elevate your faith and harness digital media to share the gospel in powerful new ways?
God doesn't need many people. God only needs people that humbly decide to say, "Here I am, Lord. Take me. Use me to your glory."
Join us at the Digital Discipleship Conference 2025 in Auckland from June 20th to 22nd.
We're going to do our best, and we're going to use every resource in the next few years to attempt our goal, which is to dominate the internet for spiritual content by the end of the decade. But it's going to take local churches like yours to do the same. We need this. This is what our pioneers gave everything they had and traveled the oceans to take the gospel to other people. Today, God is calling pioneers in the same way to create and develop content and engage with people to bring them a knowledge of Jesus Christ.
It's time to pioneer new frontiers in digital discipleship, to make a lasting impact in a rapidly evolving world.
It will take sacrifice. It will take effort. It will take everything you've got. But we don't have much time. The question isn't whether you are willing to do this or not. The question is, how much do you love those for whom Christ has died?
Will you step out in faith? Will you answer the call? Visit digitaldiscipleship.org.nz to register now. Become part of a movement transforming the world through faith and technology. Together, let's step out in faith.